Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. So let's start with the post analysis of the Nifty and view for tomorrow. So today was the expiry, and I said yesterday that Nifty is bullish till yet. So I hope you would have taken the right call. So let's analyze what is happening now. So Nifty is not bearish until unless it is. You could see a red candlesticks below this 13 days moving average low. So right now, so now if you see, so this one, let me show you. So this is the length, and this length is going to be equal to this over here 15,062. okay, here. So this is equal to this, and this is now this is a 5 move. Okay, this is a 5 move up, and this is a 5 move up, which is going to complete. So now, and this is a 3 move up, 3 move down. So Nifty could tomorrow Nifty could do some gap up. Okay, Nifty could do some gap up, and 1 minute, let me point out. So tomorrow Nifty could do some gap up, and from here it could show some fall. Okay, so so right now what you have to do is, if it is showing some because there is a negative divergence over here, you could see there is some negative divergence over here. So there is a negative divergence over here. Nifty is making higher high, but you could see that Nifty is making a higher high, but you could see that indicator is showing the lower low. So tomorrow what will happen, that tomorrow if there is a gap up and there is a sell out over here, we take the caution, and I don't think the sell out, it will take some support over here, and then again the Nifty will bounce back. Okay, then again the Nifty would bounce back. So this is the support area, this would be the support area. So this could be the support area 14,600. okay, from where the Nifty would again bounce back, because this is to be the third up move. Okay, if this is the third up move, then Nifty would be going to the 15,400 first. Okay, so this is my call. Okay, so if you see that it is coming below this zone. Okay, so this one would be the support for tomorrow. This one with the support for tomorrow, some kind of support would be there, and from here it can fall, and it can go. Again it could do some this one, and it can fall and take support over here, and it can go to 15,000. So this will be the good area for the buying. Okay, good area for the buying. So let's see, don't take the short until unless it is crossing this 13 days moving average high and low. You take the call. Actually, if it is crossing this 14,937. okay, so this is the area 14,937 to 14,900. Below 14,900, if it is coming below 14,900, if it is coming, then you can short the market, you can short the Nifty below 14,900. if it is coming, you can short it. Okay, for the target of 14,600. Then from here it will be a very good support, and it can rise. So we'll see what is the wave count it is making. So by the way, what I am telling is that this will be the zone, realistic zone from where it could fall. Otherwise, if it is market is flat, okay, otherwise Nifty is tomorrow, if it opening is flat, so then you see that if it is crossing this 13 days moving average low, it is making some indicator 14,800, 14,818 over here. Okay, so 14,818, 14,800 sorry, 14,800. So if indicator, if here it is making that it is below, candlestick is closing below this 13 days moving average low, and it is below this 14,800, then you can sort the market for the target of 200 points. 14,600 would be the ideal condition where you could take some take some call, take some short position. And this could be also, this is a 3 move, and this is a 3 move, but this is actually what is happening is that this is ABC correction where this is the 5 move, so it is not a zigzag, so I cannot tell that it will be coming over here or extending flat. It can make also, that is a possible, that can be one of the possibility, but the ideal target would be 14,600. And this is a very good support now. Okay, 14,260 is a very good support. Nifty from here could see the bounce back only if it is coming over here also. So let's see what is there in the market, but those are long terms. So for tomorrow the view is that if it is a gap up 15,000, keep a watch 15,056, 15,056 over here can be sell on rise. Okay, can be sell on rise until unless it is crossing this zone 14,898 to 14,937. Don't short it, because it would take a first it will take a support, then only it can fall. So for this zone need to be take care in a 1 hour chart. You can take care of this zone 14,937 to 14,898. So this is a how much points? This is coming to 40 points. Okay, so 40 points, keep a watch if it is coming down, otherwise Nifty could say some gap up, and then it could go up also. So if it is, what I am telling is that you could cut your long if it is coming down over here. Okay, if it is coming down over here, and you could take short position. Otherwise don't cut your long. You could be in the long position and till 15,400. So that is what for tomorrow's the view. Okay, well, I hope this will make sense, and you can take the right call at the right time. So happy trading day for tomorrow. Bye.